Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll learn a faster way to multiply numbers with even difference. In this example, 74 times 66. Step 1. Find the difference between the numbers, which for our example should be even. So 74 minus 66 equals 8. Step 2. Find half of the difference. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Step 3. Subtract half the difference from the larger number, which is in this example 74. So 74 minus 4 equals 70. Or you can also add half of the difference to the smaller number, which is 66. So 66 plus 4 equals 70. Step 4. Square the new number. So we have 70 squared is equal to 4,900. Then square half of the difference. 4 squared equals 16. Step 5, find the difference between the squares. 4,900 minus 16 equals 4,884. And that's your final answer. So 74 times 66 equals 4,884. See how easy and fun that was? Try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.